I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create Zoho CRM. First, navigate to the Zoho CRM website and sign up for a new account. You'll need to provide some basic company details and choose an edition that fits your needs, perhaps the free edition for up to 3 users, or a paid plan for more advanced features. After signing up, verify your email to activate your account and begin your CRM journey. Next, personalize your CRM by tailoring modules and layouts. Zoho CRM allows you to rename standard modules or create entirely new ones, like projects or vendors. You can also customize layouts for each module, adding or removing fields to capture precisely the information you need. This ensures your CRM perfectly aligns with your unique business processes, making data entry efficient and intuitive for your team. Now it's time to populate your CRM with valuable data and your team. You can easily import existing customer information from spreadsheets, saving hours of manual entry. For new leads or contacts, simply add them one by one. Crucially, invite your team members, assigning them roles and profiles to manage their access levels. This ensures everyone has the right permissions, maintaining data security and operational efficiency across your organization. Finally, leverage automation and reporting to maximize your CRM's potential. Set up workflow rules to automate repetitive tasks, such as sending follow-up emails or updating record statuses. Create custom reports and dashboards to visualize key performance indicators, like sales pipeline value or lead conversion rates. Automate lead assignment to ensure new leads are distributed fairly, boosting your team's productivity and providing valuable insights into your business operations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.